Do you need to have a quiz read aloud and it is not in your learning management system? If so, then try out the Read Speaker Text Aid exam mode. The steps are easy. First, create an exam mode account for your student. Be sure to select Yes, Exam Account, and Single Seat Login. Next, upload the quiz to your library and share it with the student's exam mode account. Check that it is an exam and include the date and time the quiz is available. To access the test, the student or a proctor will log into the student's exam mode account and go to the Shared with Me tab in the library. The student can use a page mask or reading ruler. The student can adjust the settings to their preferences of reading speed, font color, size, type, and highlighting colors. Let's listen to question 1.
How are accommodations and accessibility different?
Using the annotations toolset, the student answers each question. Let's listen to the answer to question 1.
Accommodations are required by law to meet the accessibility requirements needed.
Annotations are automatically saved. Once the student finishes, the student clicks on Submit. You get a notice in your TextAid account that you have a quiz ready for grading. Go to your submitted exams in your library to access the quiz. See how easy it is to do? Why don't you give it a try?